Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have TCL MOVEAUDIO Neo wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earbuds not connecting to your device, or if they are not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Also, if you're getting sound only out of the left ear or the right ear, this can often fix that as well. You will need to set them up again because all of the pairing history will be wiped, and that's the second reason you might want to do that. If you're setting them up on a new device, you just want to get a fresh start, we can reset them very easily. All we need to do is place them in the case with the lid open as shown here, and then on the buttons on the back of the earbuds we're going to come in and press and hold for 8 seconds, and just keep holding until the earbud LED indicators flash blue when the earbuds enter the reset process, and then the blue light will stay on for 5 seconds and then go out when the reset is complete, at which point you can take them out and set them up as new earbuds.